Hey, it's Jimmy Lee Lard, the sock snob, and if you are not doing a Ralph Lauren inspired Christmas this year, maybe you've come to the right place. I want to take you around my place so you can see that you can still do a sophisticated, elegant space without it being Ralph Lauren, and you can even add a little bit of whimsy in there as well. So make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel so you can check out all of my holiday content. Let me show you around.
Let Jimmy help you with your home for the holidays, 'cause 'tis a season to be fly and make your neighbors say, oh my. And if you fail, at least you try, 'cause it's Christmas time. You want everything right. A tree that's shining bright and love and laughter in your life. Let Jimmy help you with your home for the holidays.
So for those of you who've watched some of my previous holiday videos, you will probably no doubt notice that I am in an entirely different place. So I sold that house and now I'm in a new space. And with a new space comes new opportunities to decorate. No, but I did bring a nice amount of my decorations from the old house here. So the elves are back, of course. I wanted to add a little bit of whimsy because I have grandkids, and I think that's part of the joy of Christmas. We know the reason for the season, but then there's also that joy that comes from seeing all of the holiday decor and so on. So I wanted to make sure that I had a little bit of whimsy in the space just for the grandkids, okay? So we have this elf we see in the sort of blush and champagnes and pinks here. He has made it back over here for another year with a little peacock eyeballing him here as well. One thing I've found when it comes down to making a space sophisticated is just adding lots of greenery. So you'll notice that all throughout my space, you're gonna see lots of arrangements, garlands, and all of the greenery that you need in order to really give it that extra classy touch. So as long as you have that, you can get away with doing something that's a little more whimsical as well. All right, so that brings us to this space. And this elf, by the way, I just have him wired to this piece right here. That way I know he's secure. Even if one of my grandkids grabs him, he'll be just fine, all right? Because they do have these sort of ceramic faces that can break. All right, let's keep going and see what else we have, because we have a few more elves hiding about the place. They've been helping me out with my holiday decorations. So let me show you some of those. So here I'm just getting one last look at this guy before we head over here and take a look at our next elf. So this one is just sitting on a bowl that's always on this table. I think it looks festive enough that it can be used during the holidays. And I added a blue ball there. That's because you're gonna see blue going all throughout the space, because that's sort of a key color with this sort of, I don't necessarily have a peacock theme, but my Christmas tree is definitely very blue dominant, so I wanted to make sure I carried at least some pieces of that all throughout. So that's why he's holding the blue ball. Over here in this corner, I have just some winter woods with some lights in there as well. And we'll move over to this guy right here. So as you can see, we have another elf who is playing the harp over here on the counter, on the opposite end of the counter. And then this arrangement right here, it's a orchid arrangement that is always here, and since it's white I figured I'd just leave it here, and I just added some red into it just to make it flow a little bit better for the holidays. And our last couple elves are helping to create this tree. As you can see, they're working on the topper. So this particular tree, I wanted to go for a more woodland vibe. And if you really look closely at this tree, you'll notice that there are actually no ornaments. There's not a single ornament on this tree. And this is a great tree for a smaller apartment. You know, if space is limited or you want something in an office or a smaller room, this is a great option. But again, I was going for a woodland vibe, so there are no ornaments on this tree. We have a lot of big poinsettias, lots of flowers all throughout. And then we, of course, have these glittery gold ferns all throughout as well. And again, we have this guy who is in his own way helping out, and this guy as well. And that's just attached, again, by wire. I have the wire, if you look very closely, it's in that seam. So it's sort of hidden, so you can't see it there. And when you have a large piece of art like I do, hey, I've said this before in previous holiday videos, you just decorate around it. So I just added a little bit of light garland. We have this magnolia arrangement up top, and that's it. So you just roll with the punches with what you have. So right next to that, again, when it comes down to art, I knew I was not removing my art out of here, so I just created this swag, added some more poinsettias, a little bit of blue, a hint of blue there. And you'll notice that this pattern will be going all throughout, as well as this deep purple is so pretty. So I just added a few lights up there, and that's just the arrangement that we have up there. So that just sits above the piano there. Over here is another thing that I've done, is added to this lamp, and this is a heavy lamp, let me tell you. But this particular lamp, I just added a little wreath there just to give it some interest as well, because otherwise, you know, you have things like lamps that kind of sit there and you're like, what is that? What is going on with that? All right, so I'm gonna go back over here to the kitchen, because we were over here with these guys, but I just wanted to show you, point out something with the kitchen. And these lights might be too bright. So a couple things is, above the pendants up top here, I just added a little bit of greenery there, just so that we can get, you know, some little Christmas holiday interest up there. And then I have some garland going above the cabinets. And let me show you a little trick I did with the garland. So up here, you'll see, and I know this light is interfering a little bit, so there we are. So you can see that we have this garland going all the way around, right? A little trick I do is I take the cheapest garland, well, not necessarily the cheapest, but some inexpensive garland, and then I just enhance it with different picks. So that, you know, everything you see is just a pick, but otherwise it's just that normal, inexpensive wire garland that we have seen so many times. And again, I just add it to it. And then we have a nice little arrangement up here as well. And completing that down on the counter, I just have two little arrangements there. And that just, you know, was enough to round out the kitchen. So let's go into the living room. I kind of glanced over this little guy, but I just did another arrangement. Again, like I was saying before, when it comes down to making a space a little sophisticated, just add lots of greenery. So this arrangement in this vase, so I have a metal vase, and then I just have a big arrangement there. And you'll notice here, I have the only Santa or Father Christmas here, and it's only because of the colors there. My shadow is blocking it, but it's only because the colors are the same colors that we see over here with this little tree, which is very pretty. And again, the colors that go all throughout the space. And speaking of the Christmas tree, we may as well go ahead and take a look at that. So as you can see, my tree has a peacock theme. So I'm gonna get close, let you see. We've looked at this tree in other videos. However, I've changed it up to show you that you can use, last year's ornaments for a new tree or for a tree this year and change the look completely. So we just add to it, refine it a little bit, and we have a very lovely tree. All right, so you can see there are peacocks all throughout. There are peacock feathers all throughout this tree. Here we go. There's another peacock down there. And like I said, the peacock colors and feathers are just all throughout this tree. So I did a separate video about the tree itself. Over here, well, you'll notice that color again that we were looking at with the swag is repeated there. And again, there's more of that blue. But this wreath is just a simple wreath. It's actually in an oval shape with a bow at the bottom. So I just made a quick bow at the bottom. And we have another one of these sort of large bows here, and that same ribbon sort of snakes throughout this garland over here. So on this table, again, back with the idea of greenery, making a space. So I just have a single garland that snakes throughout this table with some lights on it, For the sofa, you can always buy pillow covers that are holiday themed, or in my case, these are the same pillows I have on here all the time. And then I just added a couple of suede pillows like so. And over here in this corner, to match the sort of fir tree that's on the other side, I have one here, along with a reindeer as well, a little brass reindeer. And up here, again, we know that we cannot take down all of our art and remove all of our big plants. But what we can do is put a bow on it. So I just added a bow to that large painting there, and we just make it work. So that is the matching tree to the one that's over there. And again, I just have a couple things here and there. We have our woodland tree, again, with a little train going underneath. Our elves. And then finally, at the entrance as well is this large poinsettia arrangement. I keep a little bucket of shoes. I don't have one of those. You have to take your shoes off houses, but I have a couple of these baskets that are full of slides and slippers and things like that. I have 3 of those spread out. But yeah, that is the space. That's pretty much it. That's what I've done for the holidays so far. I have a few more things to do, including decorating for my bedroom, my boudoir. I'm not decorating all the bathrooms. I have 4 bathrooms in this apartment, but I am going to decorate one of them, so I'll show you that in a video as well. All right, so thank you so much for checking me out. Again, if you like what you saw or were inspired by anything in any of these videos, by all means, make sure you like this video, comment and let me know what color scheme you're doing or if you're going with a certain theme, and make sure you subscribe for more holiday content. All right, thank you so much. Bye.
Let Jimmy help you with your home for the holidays, 'cause 'tis a season to be fly and make your neighbors say, oh my. And if you fail, at least you try, 'cause it's Christmas time. You want everything right. A tree that's shining bright and love and laughter